Hi Aces! Welcome back to our Vegas Aces YouTube channel. My name is Angela Marie, and here to walk you through everything you need to know about how to boost your income by excelling in customer service is Heather Ferris. Understanding your players is the secret to creating a personalized and memorable experience at the table. In this video, you'll learn how to read subtle cues in behavior and mood, helping you tailor your approach to keep players happy, engaged, and coming back for more. But before we get started, I just want to remind you to like, subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that way you'll always be notified of our latest videos and live streams. Now, on with the show.
Your job will be much easier if you have the ability to read the customer, which is why this is step number 8. If you don't have this ability naturally, there are several video tutorials on YouTube that you could watch. That is, if you could stop watching those funny cat videos instead. Reading the customer means that you'll need to look and listen for subtle clues about their current mood, patience level, personality, and wants. Then you'll need to use this information to determine how you should interact with them. So that way, when they leave this place, they'll do so with a positive impression of it. It's essential that we provide a personalized experience to our guests, and the ability to read people will help us do that. If you want to be really good at this, then it's good to know the basic principles of behavioral psychology. It's also helpful if you could respect the player's wishes. If you read the customer and you could tell that they just want the dealer to be silent, then don't go talking a mile a minute telling the player about your entire life story. Respect the player's wishes and deal to him in silence. Every person is different, and some players enjoy you sharing your experiences, while other players don't even want to know how your day was, let alone hear you talking. That's why reading the customer is so important. You could see a lot just by looking. Notice what is actually going on around you and be curious. By always raising our level of awareness, we'll be able to see things that we didn't before, and this will make it easier for us to read the player. You won't know the player is grumpy if you don't look up and see that frown on his face. Really notice the things around you. Be alert and awake. Even listening helps raise our level of awareness. If you have the ability to read people, then this cuts down on a lot of communication mistakes that end up costing time, money, and sometimes even the guest.
That does it for today's show. If you liked what you saw, please like and subscribe. Do you want to see our content 5 days early? Subscribe to us on Patreon, where we give our patrons exclusive early access and coach new dealers on how to get into the industry. The folks on the screen right now are our Patreon producers. Every single name is a person in the world who supports this channel so that we can keep going. And we're so grateful to them that they've allowed us to go on this really remarkable journey. Thanks everybody for being a part of this. Also, our business helps casino game inventors with developing their game, bringing their idea to fruition and onto the casino floor. If you have a casino game you want to develop, email us. You can find a link to our email in the description below. Just a quick reminder, Vegas Aces is supported by viewers like you. Click that hype button to help us get our content out there and grow as a channel. The hype button's only available in some countries, so if you don't see it, it might not be available in your area. Or you can donate. Donations make it possible for all of these videos to be brought to you for free. If you think this video is worth more than $0, then please donate the amount you feel it is worth by clicking the link in the description below. If you can't afford to financially support us, then help us update our World Toke board. This shows the toke numbers for casino dealers around the world. But we can't update these numbers if people don't contribute. You can anonymously send us your toke numbers via our toke line or by emailing heather@vegas-aces.com. Thank you for watching. Please join us for our next video. We have a new video every Thursday. And if you're looking for even more content, check out our other videos here on the screen. We also offer interview transcripts, flashcards, dealer instruction manuals, the world's first toke board, and so much more, all on our website, vegas-aces.com. You can find all of these links in the description below. Until the next time, stay lucky, Aces.